So I always loved art and culture, but I never was a talented person. So I can be more strategic, but I can also be around art and culture. It's very important for me and very special. I'm Elisa, I'm from Portugal. I'm studying international media and culture in Darmstadt. So there's the creative part and the strategic part. And for example, in an exhibition, I had the opportunity to make the creative part, create an art, and also being behind the scene and do the strategic part. Because it's very open and they accept people in some way that you feel at home and that you can be yourself and you can learn so much from them, from people that are really experienced and really love art and culture, so that's a big thing in the program. I really see myself in a museum or some culture organization, in some kind of media part like public relations or even journalism. I would love to do that here.